Hey guys, today I want to show you my new light tube. It's a custom-made light tube with a PVC tubing. It's made of an old Philips retrofit light. The original light was broken, so I take the case or the tubes and replace it with some LEDs. So I got here a 12 volt connection. This is a 12 volt DC. So you plug it in and the LED should start it. So now it makes some rainbow. So for controlling, I got the F for my smartphone. So first step is you to connect to the device. Your pair it is important. First pairing with the Bluetooth device. So now I'm connected with my lamp with the device. So now I can change some colors, some animations, make some rainbow fade. It's not the special one. So yeah, you can change, or in this case you can change the speed of the light beam, or the color. It's also possible. Yes, so thank you for watching. See you next time.